How's it going, guys? It's Clinton, and welcome to the Only Profits Trading Academy. And today I'm going to be attempting to buy the euro dollar, and I'm going to place my take profit on a very specific price. There we go. Going to be take profit is about 20 pips, and the price I placed my take profit on is a price where I know for a fact that the banks, the hedge funds, and the top 1% are going to be taking the market too. And this is something I got to learn from my keen observation of the banks and the top 1%, and basically not being a conventional trader. I'm not going to be showing you support and resistance on this channel. I'm not going to be showing you divergence on this channel, and I'm not going to be showing you trading with any sort of indicator on this channel. And towards the end of last week, the euro dollar ended up was in a bullish trend. Pardon me, was in a bullish trend, and I believe that this is some sort of retracement, and the signal that the market revealed to me made everything more clear, and I know for a fact that the market is going to hit that price. And the illiterates of the 21st century are not people that cannot read or write. They are those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. A lot of you guys have horrible trading habits, trying to force your trading system on the market. Don't be a Forex illiterate. Everything looks good right now. The trade is running in very little profits, and I'm going to get back to you guys in a bit. So stay tuned, guys. All right. Yeah, it's 4 minutes after 6 a.m. here in Miami, and even before breakfast, guys, I am literally kicking off the week with over $2,000. And this is a Only Profits Academy method to trade, like I said. And I told you guys for a fact that the market was going to hit that price. I got into the trade before I went to bed and woke up with profits already. And the trades you can see below the $2,600 are method 1 trades. And yeah, basically you can see the system still works in full effect. So if you want to buy the course and understand how I look at the market, how I consistently make profits, you can visit the website. And if you want to copy my trades excuse me, and make residual income, you can also send me a message via email, or just simply also visit the website. And with that being said, I'm going to try and round up this video. If you also want to have access to my signals, yeah, you can also visit the website. And basically, the market is really easy to figure out. If 99% of people are doing something and failing, you need to think outside the box. And I took this account from $5,000, even with the summer and me being inconsistent with recording and documenting my trades for you guys. I have still made over 100% on a $5,000 account. And you can watch previous videos to see where I took a $500 account, and so far I have made withdrawals of over $23,000 from a $500 deposit. This is too easy. I don't like coming across as conceited, and that is why I did a giveaway. Actually, there are still 2 spots left for the giveaway. 3 students have won some spots, and I'm gonna be funding them next week. The giveaway is gonna end by the end of this week, so there are only 2 spots left, and you can go back to the giveaway video to understand the terms and conditions of being able to be eligible to win a $5,000 trading account. Yeah, Team Only Profits kicking the week off with $6,000. I hope some of my students were able to also get into this trade, because this is not a signal trade. This is just something any student that I have thought will be able to see in the market, and it's really easy. Left the market with profits. I tend to make this a very quick video because the day just started, and I just wanted to document this trade for you guys, showing you guys the method to trade again. Clinton signing out. Kindly go ahead and like and subscribe, and if you find that if you want to show your friends my unconventional style of trading, you can also go ahead and share the video. Clean sign out. Once again, like, share, and subscribe, and hey guys, have a wonderful trading week ahead.